Mida bun, wega chalor ku wega chamot, chak pol. Yakol wabla lesson 4. Kabupya yakol month in Dinka. Along pay, a pay ke wik kubukang yakol month in Dinka. Pentok, ren ken kok e chol nyet. Pentok, nyet, that is January. Penro, kol. Pendiak, akondit. These are in Kenkok, chalo kondit, pendiak, penguan, akanti, April. Pendiech, aduong, that is May. Penditum, aletbor, penditum, aletbor, June. Pendoro, acoldit, that is July. Penbet, it's called BLT. No, build it, that's August. Pendungwan, BLT, that's September. Pentiar, lal, pentiar kutuk, or beglai, that's November. Pentiar kuro, conpiu, December. So these are the name of the months. Akigirin pay itong monjang. So rin ngi kira pay jok pentok, pero, pendiak, penguan, pendiek, penditum, pendero, penbet, pendungwan, pentiar,